At noon, a judge rules the man accused in a condo attack caught on camera will stay behind bars. Good afternoon. I'm Michelle Griego.
I'm Kenny Choi. Let's get right to KPIX 5's Ann Makovec, who is live in San Francisco with more details. Ann.
He will stay in jail for now, and as he was being led away after today's hearing, he started ranting and swearing at appeared to be directed at the prosecutor. And as soon as he got into the back room, we heard a bang on the wall before his defense attorney went to check on him. Also in today's hearing, charges related to a separate incident from February were dropped after Austin Vincent's defense attorney proved that he was in rehab in Southern California at the time of that attack. But he is now being held without bail in this attack outside of the Westgate condo building on August 11th. The prosecutor showed this video in court today, and she also read a statement from the victim saying she's scared, broken, and feels she doesn't have a voice. She says she's emotionally paralyzed. And the judge eventually agreed that Vincent is a risk of delivering great bodily harm to others.
When we talk about human behavior, it's always difficult to analyze how risky someone may or may not be. But we always have to do that analysis through the lens of public safety.
Cameras were not allowed in court today. This is video of yesterday's hearing where Vincent was quiet and subdued. Both sides also talked today a bit more about his rap sheet and trying to prove whether or not he had a violent history. While his most recent crime was petty theft, he did have a conviction in New York for menacing with a weapon. And we just heard from the defense attorney here outside of the courtroom. He said that he is still going to push for his client to be remanded into a treatment program. He said, look, this guy's eventually going to get out, and you want him to have gotten treatment before that happens. Live in San Francisco, Ann Makovec, KPIX 5.
And we understand that there were several delays in today's hearing.
Yeah, it was bizarre. This thing got passed around to 4 different courtrooms this morning for scheduling issues. And, you know, it's difficult to speak to the judge's motives in some of these, but this certainly has been a real hot potato. It has been really in the public eye, and it looked like a lot of people perhaps didn't want to touch this case. Back to you.
Ann Makovec live for us in San Francisco, and thank you.